On this video, I'm going to show you how to make your text move and speak in Capcut. Just like this.
How to make your text move and speak.
If you're interested, join me and let's go learn. Let's go. So open your Capcut. Click on New Project. Then select the video that you want to use for your project from your gallery. Then click on Add. From the Edit panel, click on the text icon below. Next, click on Add Text. Then input your text. For example, let's say, how to make your text move and speak in Capcut. Next, choose your text font. Let's select this one. The next thing is to choose your text color. Then adjust your text. That is, you can increase the size or decrease the size. Next is to make our text move by clicking on the animation. Select any animation of your choice. Then adjust the speed. You can increase it or decrease it. The next thing is to make our text speak. So we are going to look for text to speech and then click on it. Then select any voice of your choice.
You're using the text to speech feature. Choose a voice you like.
Let's choose a male voice and then click on the check mark. Allow it to generate the speech. It's done. Now let's play the video.
How to make your text move and speak. How to make your text move and speak.
Can you see that? Easy peasy. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and also give this video a thumbs up. See you on the next one. Bye.